Hi, my name is Excel Tra and I'm the Global Sales Director of uHoo. uHoo is the world's leading technology that measures indoor air quality. We help you see the air so you can do something about it and stay healthy. Poor indoor air is the world's largest environmental hazard. Not knowing what you breathe can get you very sick. Poor air enhances the spread of the virus, such as COVID-19. So our company, uHoo, we started in 2014, founded by Dustin and Brian, who both suffered from asthma and rhinitis caused by poor indoor air. So what started as a personal need is now a global solution in 50 over countries. We've just closed $3.7 million in our last round of funding. Let us work together in providing clean air for all as a right, not luxury. Thank you.